At round 6 of the ATV Motocross Nationals, we had a cancellation at Muddy Creek, so now we're here at Sunset. Crazy hot today, 95 degrees. It's going to be a brutal race. Got 2 20-minute motos, looking forward to them. I've actually had some good finishes here. In 2016, I ended up winning the overall, which was awesome for me. You know, at these rough tracks, it's always tough for me, but to pull off that win is definitely good. I know I can do it. I can bring that confidence and try to roll in that today. And hot, it's going to be whoever can last them 20 minutes, and I think I can. I think I can pull off a win today. If not, just try to split motos and not lose any points and be in that championship battle for the next round.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Zach Kazmarek here, Sunset Ridge MX, about an hour from home. Pretty excited to get things underway here today. It's going to be a hot one, so we're going to have to push in and see what we can do.
Last week, or about a week and a half ago, I suffered a back injury practicing, and it's called a transverse process fracture, 3 of my vertebrae. And at first, I was really thinking that the season was over, how the pain was. But I went to the doctor, and they told me that I had 6 to 8 weeks for the bone to heal, and just looking to establish some points, and hopefully it goes as well as I think it's going to.
First time for the 1-1 finish here, giving me the overall and 3 points ahead of Chad in the points championship now, which is exactly what I wanted to do today. It's not exactly what I thought I was going to do today, being so hot, and it's a rough track. I've never won 1-1 here, like I said, but finally pulled it off. Everything was working awesome for me, and I really busted my butt out there to, get those 2 W's. And really paid off all the training I did this week and all that heat training, and it's awesome to be up here in that top spot and finally get that points lead back. I'm ready to see these red plates back on this Honda, and look forward to Unadilla and see what we can do there again. Had great finishes there over the years, so I'm looking forward to that. 6 more motos, we're ready. We'll see you out there.
2-2 today, really not what I was shooting for, but just didn't have it that first moto to get it all the way done, and that second moto we had a trash start, man, but lost the points lead, kind of fires me up, but we're gonna push on. We got Unadilla next, and just got to prepare myself and get myself ready for that, and try to get this thing back. But huge shout out to my sponsors, and looking forward to the next round.